Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's July 15th, Monday morning, and weather. Corn Belt weather is expected to be a little bit cooler and a little more moisture is what the forecasters have now in the longer range forecast here for the latter part of July. European weather also is improving. Germans are reporting that their crop is improving because of better weather conditions there. So all of this is causing some pressure, some profit taking by longs in the futures contracts this morning. Some of the other things that we've got to look at here today is the NOPA crush comes out at 11 o'clock. They'll be releasing how many beans have been used for processing, and the trade estimate is somewhere between 115 and 117, which would be about 13% less than a year ago. You say, well, that is not very much, but on the other hand, in order to hit the USDA target, we need to be 19% below for the entire quarter. So still running higher than what the USDA has forecasted. And on this last report that we seen last Thursday, they made no adjustments for demand, and they're going to have to do something here as we go down the road in order to make adjustments for this aggressive crush numbers that we continue to see, the usage in domestically, and then also the export business that we see in soybeans. So that's coming somewhere down the road. We expect that the basis and cash markets will be actually will act separately from the futures as we go forward, because the futures contracts are now moving into the new crop, and we'll have to monitor that very closely as we go forward. The basis on the cash markets have weakened here on Friday. Both corn and soybean basis were lower, and that in combination with some weaker prices in the futures. The crop conditions, crop ratings this afternoon, trade expecting 1 to 2% lower there because of the heat that we've seen, especially in the western corn belt. Last week we're at 68% on corn, 67% for soybeans. The livestock markets expecting a steady trade there this morning. Trade's going to be looking and waiting for some improvement in cash cattle trade. Cutout values continue to slide in the beef. Choice down 119, select down 104 on Friday. We do have in the hogs, we've got the July contract going off the board today, and with the August contract at $7 discount to the July, we would assume that there's going to be some support, some buying coming into that August contract as the July contract goes off the board. Pork cutout values were up 73 cents on Friday. We also should see feeder cattle open higher here this morning, as it'll be dictated by where the cash corn is, or the futures. Corn futures are at the opening. So if you got any questions, give us a call at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.